Hi champions, welcome back to another video with KK Thompson. What a guan! My day again in the kitchen, and today I will be making KFC-Style Coleslaw. KFC-Style Coleslaw for you. Okay? And so what we need today, we're going to need a cabbage, like a medium cabbage. We're going to need carrot. Not going to use all of this. We're just going to use probably half of the carrot. If you had a medium carrot, you could use, but this is a little bit on the big side. All right. So we're going to use half. We're going to use half of an white onion. We're going to use a little granulated sugar. We're going to use milk, and we're going to use buttermilk. We are going to use vinegar, and we are going to use a lime. Okay? So I don't have the original buttermilk, but I'll show you how to make the homemade buttermilk. Guys, we are going to make our homemade buttermilk now. And to make our homemade buttermilk, you need 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, to 1 cup of milk. We are not going to use 1 cup of milk. We need 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of milk. Okay, so we are going to do 1/4 cup of milk, and we are going to put in 1 teaspoon. So we are going to put in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. That's 1 teaspoon of vinegar we're going to use to the 1/4 cup of milk, and we are going to let it sit for 5 minutes. We are going to cut the cabbage in 4 pieces. 1, we're going to cut it again. 2, we are going to cut it again. 3. All right, so we are going to thread these, but for me, I am going to put them in some salt water a little, to get the inside, just in case anything on the inside that want to come out. I'm going to put them in some salt water for probably about 2 minutes or so, and we are going to thread our cabbage now, and we are going to use the big side of the grater, the big side, and we are going to thread from the bottom. We're not going to thread this way because it's going to bring up the cabbage like this and break it up. So we're going to turn it like this, and we are going to grate. All right. What it look like. This is what it look like. So we are going to go ahead and do the other 3 pieces and come right back. So guys, this is the cabbage, and we are going to cut up the carrot. We're not going to use all of the carrot, so we're going to cut, because the carrot is so big, we're going to put the carrot a little smaller. Okay, so you just cut Can probably cut this in 3. To get the carrot not so big, alright? So we go again with the carrot. Hold the carrot tight now, and then use the same side. Sauce together, so we have half cup of mayonnaise. We have 1/4 cup of whole milk. We have the 1/4 cup of buttermilk. You see that? So it get thick and curdle. So 1/4 cup of buttermilk. We're going to need 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. So I'm just gonna measure this out. We're going to need the juice of 1 lime. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can use 2 or 2.5. I'm going to use 2. We're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and you're going to mix that out until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, mix until the sugar is dissolved. And the reason why we use the whole milk and the buttermilk along with the mayonnaise, the mayonnaise alone will not be able to hold everything together. It's like when you go to KFC and you get a good coleslaw, you notice how everything all together? Yes, it's the buttermilk and the whole milk along with the mayonnaise give you that. Alright, so we're going to stir until everything is dissolved, and then we're going to combine. So we are going to go ahead and combine everything. Alright, so you're just going to throw the mixture. Just going to throw the mixture in. And remember to taste. Always remember to taste. Alright. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Try to combine everything together. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Pretty. On your edge, and what you're going to do now, you are going to put this in the fridge in order to get it nice. You're going to put it in the fridge and leave it. You can leave it overnight, or you can leave it for at least 5 hours, so all the sauce will soak up in the cabbage and the carrot, and you get your lovely coleslaw, KFC style. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, Remember to like, to share the video. Okay, and see you again in another video. God bless you. Love from KK Thompson.